Hi there, welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we make science fun and simple with quick, 2-minute stories. What if the energy to power our world came from the sun? Spoiler alert, it already does. Solar energy is clean, powerful, and renewable, perfect for keeping the lights on without harming our planet. But how does it all work? The sun sends an incredible amount of energy to Earth every second, more than enough to power everything. Enter solar panels, our magical sun catchers. These panels use photovoltaic cells to turn sunlight into electricity. Here's the science magic. Sunlight hits the cells, made of materials like silicon, and knocks electrons loose. Those electrons start moving, and just like that, electricity is born. But it gets even cooler. Solar energy can power everything from your phone to entire cities. Imagine a future where our homes, cars, and even skyscrapers run on sunlight, reducing pollution and saving money. And the best part, the sun isn't running out for billions of years. Of course, solar energy has challenges. It depends on weather and location, and we need batteries to save extra energy for cloudy days or nights. But technology is improving fast, and the future is looking bright, literally. Every solar panel installed is a step towards a cleaner, greener world. The solar revolution is already here, and it's only getting better. So next time you feel the sun's warmth, remember, it's not just lighting up your day, it could be powering your entire world. We also make fun kids' books to inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code to grab your copy and spark a love for science and exploration.